All right, let's talk about the motor control screen or single leg balance test in case you ever want to take up acting and be in the next Karate Kid movie standing on one leg. So I've got 2 tips for you to help you get better at balance and also improve your score on here. So the first one on the motor control screen, the idea is I'm standing on one leg and I'm gently pushing this block forward as far as possible. So in order to get better at that, one thing that will make you more stable, one little trick is pick one spot on the floor about 3 feet in front of you and keep focused on that single spot. So for me, I'm staring at one of the numbers here, but it could be a speck on the floor, a letter, whatever you want, whatever floats your boat. But again, I want my eyes focused on one single spot the entire time. That's going to enable me to get a little bit further. The second thing that won't really help you during this test, but it's more to practice for the test, and this would be to focus on or to practice working through multiple planes of motion. And so balancing through multiple planes of motion. So what I mean by that is there are times I would at home kind of step out front just like during this test, but then I also want to practice doing more like a side step and then also behind me. So again, to improve my balance, I want to practice moving through multiple planes of motion. I don't want to just think about like everything being forward, which is how most of us live in everyday life. So again, pick a spot, pick a number, a speck on the floor, and then the second thing, when you're practicing at home, don't just stick to one plane of motion. Move around a little bit, dance around, and that should help improve the balance.